Nice. Okay, hello, welcome back to a new edit on my channel. Today I have 10,000 subscribers. What? Egyptian quality, so this is not working, but yeah. Oh, sorry about that, it's not working. But anyways, 10,000 subscribers! 10,000 subscribers! This number is because of you guys! Thank you so much! I'm really happy that you like my videos and that you are watching my videos, you are sharing my videos, and you have subscribed to my channel. So today it's time to celebrate, and today it's time to use this brand new party popper, and I hope you'll like it. Actually, I don't know what's going on with my channel, because I have got a lot of views the last days and also the last weeks. Only the last week you guys have watched 750,000 minutes on my channel. That's a lot of time, 750,000 minutes on my channel. In hours that would be something like 12,500 hours on my channel. Just the last 7 days. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on, and this is why I want to say thank you so much, because without you guys I would not have done this. It's so awesome that you have watched my videos, that you have subscribed to my channel, and I just want to say thank you so much. Shukran jiddan. Yes, I don't have words, I can't explain. Now it's time to celebrate 10,000 subscribers on my channel. So this one goes to you who are watching my video right now on YouTube. I just want to say thank you so much. I'm really happy that you are watching this video, and this is why I'm going to use this party popper. Give me some drums. Are you ready? Are you ready? I said, are you ready? You have to answer. Are you ready? There we go. Thank you. Wow, this was awesome!